Guys, this week was a bit funny because we had a shocking experience within the trading platform, most especially for those trading boom 1000 and boom 500. Okay, and of course with our trading tools we were able to achieve more. Those that are having these two custom made indicator, either the 3M trend milker trading indicator or probably the smart indicator, were able to do more than what others were actually got. Okay, so quickly we will be checking out this and see what really happened this week and how we were able to make thousands of dollars from here. Okay, to be sincere, within the last 24 hours we've been able to rake in over $3,000 using these same trading tools, either the 3M trend milker trading indicator or the smart indicator. And I'm going to prove this to you. I'm going to show you all these so that you will know how we got to that level. But before I do that, guys, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we got this set up sometimes over the weekend. Okay, and of course right from this this support zone we got an uptrend signal. That is why you are seeing the yellow flag, because it is from a support zone. It gives us an assurance that it is going to give us a good deal, and of course we got a buying order around there, and of course this actually got us to this level. Okay, so that was amazing profit right on 5-minute time frame. Right from there we started a downtrend because it is at a resistance zone, and we got a downtrend right from here and a sell signal which sold till it got to this region. It didn't go too far, but it was far enough to give us enough profit. Okay, but we actually expected it to get to this region, but it didn't get there. Okay, so it had a pullback till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so right from there it started a downtrend. Right from there again, check it out, and this downtrend kept on going on for more than 24 hours, about 48 hours. Okay, that's so amazing, guys. Those that are having this trading tool or the smart indicator will have actually enjoyed this, because you will have seen this signal right from the beginning. You can imagine you having a trend, a downtrend signal right from here and a sell signal at the top right here, and of course you decide to come in somewhere here, okay, with the trading strategy which we have been teaching on this channel, then definitely you would have been in big profit. Check it out, guys, check it out. It got to this support zone. We actually thought it will be going back up, but with our 20 to 80% strategy we were able to lock up about 80% of the profit. You can imagine the profit from here, guys, from here. You can imagine the profit from here, and we locked up 80% of the profit while we are using 20% to trade. Okay, and of course right from here it actually went down to break out below this support zone without hitting the 20%, and of course it gave us more profit. You can imagine, guys, it gave us more profit till it got to this region. Okay, so right now we hope that it will go back into an uptrend, but we need it to break out from here first. We need it to break out from here. If it breaks out from here, then definitely we need it to break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so if all this happen, then definitely it's going to give a lot of profit on a buy trend. But for now it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, you can imagine this gave us huge profit for more than 2 days. That's so amazing, guys. That is the power of you having the right knowledge, having the right trading tools, and having a strategy that works for you. And that is one of the things which you have been learning on this particular platform. So you guys can also take advantage of this and use it to milk the market successfully so that you can make more profit for yourself right from here. So I'll say congratulations to those of you who are having the trading tool that actually had a beautiful experience like this with me. Okay, so this is so beautiful, and I'm also happy that we are able to achieve this together. Okay, so if you are unable to achieve this, then definitely it's because you've been away from the market for a while, or maybe you are not having the right trading tools and the right strategy to go along with it. Okay, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp to discuss on any of my trading tools so that we can see how to arrange one for you. For now, I will be stopping right here. Let's keep on milking the market. Let's keep on following up with what we are having within the market and making more profit for ourselves right from here. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God